Hi guys, well in this module we're starting with Affinity Studio. Now I'd like to be able to, in this module, show you how to export Affinity version 3 documents to Canva so that you can use them in your workflow, creating professional assets and using them in Canva for social media or clients. Okay, now as you can see, we're on the Affinity Studio page. There's a community there which has all sorts of browse all topics, photography, illustration, graphic design. Now, I don't want to spend all day talking about that because you can look at that yourself by just going to Affinity Studio, and there's lots of really interesting stuff there. I might add, while you're there, you can see the Affinity, the Inspired AF font. That's a derivative by the font foundry of a font called Swear, which is, my tongue-tiedness there is enough to make me swear. But you can find Swear and download it for free, which is a very useful thing to be able to do. Okay, now let's look at how to export Affinity version 3 to Canva so you can use it. Let's just click that away. I've got Affinity open here. Oh, I'll have to close that, obviously. Now stay closed. I've got Affinity there open, and it's on the pixel mode. Let's go find an open recent. Now the one thing that really annoys me about the new Affinity is the common AF file type, whereas version 2 had a photo, a designer, and AF publisher on there. But this one, you've got to really keep a track of what you're doing. Now, what I've got here is a retro comic course. Now, I used a lot of AI to develop this. I've got no problem with AI. A lot of people complain bitterly about it, but I don't know why. That's like complaining about electricity and going back to using candles in your living room. Me, I prefer electricity. And now that AI is here to make our life simpler, I prefer to use AI where I can. And if you consider that just about every graphics program on the market these days uses AI in some form or another, including Affinity and Canva, then it's a no-brainer. But what we've got here is simply a pixel image. Now let me go up here to export. This is how easy this really is. Now I've got a free account on Canva. You've got all sorts of export options there. There's Canva there. Canva Design. Okay, Canva Design. What's in the down arrow? Not a lot. To Canva. Now what I want to do once it's uploaded to Canva, uploads, show in browser. Now I can show it in the browser. Once it's uploaded, it will pop up in the browser. Let's see what happens. Now I'll export that. It's uploading to Canva. It's finishing. There we are, canva.com. And there's my image. Retro Comic Color Master Course in Affinity. Now, you can see start your trial for £0. Well, I'm on the free plan here, which is why I'm logged in, because obviously I logged in previously. Now you've got all sorts of templates, elements, text, whatever that is, brand, uploads. Now, uploads, there's some uploads I've already put up there. A little kid's book I was doing at one stage a little while back. And there's some images that are already uploaded. You can see those. There's an early Affinity version 1, I think, graphic. Lots of neat things that you can do. Now you can upload those files direct from Affinity. Do I need a project? No, I don't need a project. Now, delete that one. Delete that one because we don't want it. Delete that one. This one here, I can background remove, edit, erase, flip, animate, position, whatever you like. There's all sorts of things you can do with it. There's the edit tool. I can select an area to edit and so forth. So if you've got your Affinity image, which is here, and you export it directly to Canva, you can then work on it here. Now, isn't that pretty neat? That's step 1. How to export Affinity version 3 to Canva.